So myself is Susanta Datta. I am Deputy General Manager Taxation in SRF Limited. So when the goods and services tax came in 2017, so what I was describing that we had lot of registrations across India. So initial planning was how to give a common direction, because GST ultimately is centralized taxation, where a common tax law is there. We can deploy the common understanding to every businesses, but the situation was not that at the time of the inception. Most of the SSEs were having their own team at different plant or manufacturing locations. That was a major challenge. The legacy of litigations was a major challenge, and to make our system agile with the GST requirement, because it is a state-based concept which was not there, and we are having say company-wise concept or PAN-wise concept for a trial balance. So those are challenges. Then it came for ITC reconciliation challenges and matching challenges. Like credit milega when you will be getting it matched with the supplier's return or customer's return, whatever. And so the zero compliance, zero non-tolerance on non-compliance. With that concept, we came to Clear, and they implemented the integration of electronic OABIL and IRN. So Clear is associated since 2018, and they are associated as the GST. So all our return filing process is integrated with Clear. The automation through the integration process happened for the UABIL. Then electronic invoice also integrated in our system. 3B return is also getting filed through Clear. So one of the very good part of Clear is that the team, what they have is very approachable, and they try to listen to the customer's need. And I can tell you there are many things which we have conveyed to ClearTax. They have understood, they have implemented in that. In that sense, it is a good part that they are very customer-centric people in Clear. So very recently, government has introduced IMS. But go back, government has introduced electronic OABIL and IRN also. You have to comply on both. Then the IMS is coming. For IMS, you need to, and we need to reconcile our data with the portal before it moves to the final amount of ITC. And for that, I think bearing a very few small tax persons, everyone may ultimately need to go for automation, like the GSP tool, Clear tool, so that you can maximize your benefit of input tax credit and be more compliant.